What's up, guys? Today we are gonna be playing cars versus trucks. So it's really simple. You just run away from the truck. Try to like juke the trucks out. Try to survive until the time is out.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
So we're going to try to survive, and we're gonna end the video as soon as we hit. We're gonna end the video as soon as when I can win and survive for 5 minutes.
So yeah,
Let's see how it goes. Also, you can boost and basically fly in the game. So like, yeah. No. Yeah, so try not to die. I'm trying to survive until the 5 minutes up.
but
As you can see, I did not make it. That car just juked me. So, as trucks, we're trying to hit the cars. As you can see, their outline.
oh damn, that was a fast push.
Only 1 minute and 28 seconds is crazy. Can't even lie. Alright. Let's run. Iceman.
I like
See, the truck is right there. The red name tag is a truck. Yellow name tag are cars.
it. Ow.
You can drift in your game. It's kind of crazy. I might do a video on another game, but like,
Yeah.
just juke the truck's ankles.
Run.
Oh! Oh my god, that's crazy. Just had to get a sip of water.
Anyways,
Let's start. Hopefully I get...
the truck is so hard.
I'll try going a different route, because usually I always go that way. But I'm gonna try going this. Feels weird not going the real route. So you can either play risky,
Or like just like
fly up and stuff, or you can actually just play safe and just try to go on the paths. It might take a while for me to win. the game, so this game, so this video is really long. Blame me, okay? Guys. Last man standing. Oh my, there's no way. It's nearly impossible to. It's nearly impossible to survive as a car. This is crazy. Go. Oh my, that guy's so risky. Oh. That was embarrassing.
That was. I'm not gonna talk about that.
Great. I got 3 of these cards.
I'm gonna cook this one.
Can I cook it? I like the frozen map better. Winter map, Jesus. Sorry when you get this game I'm watching. I know how you feel. Really disappointed in me. Pros. Yeah. Yeah, you probably are disappointed in me, pros. Anyone can comment down any splats?
Hold up, wait.
I don't know how to turn on comments on videos, so you guys might not be able to comment. But if I can turn on comment, then you guys can comment some strats on how to play the game. I know some strats, but I'm not a god at this game. Let's not talk about the person in the right.
I don't know how Roblox allows that.
What I meant to say is don't mention the person on the left.
Yeah.
Guys, we're doing one more game. No more and no less. Just one more game after this game. Also, trucks can also fly up. Cars are way better at flying up. These trucks are so heavy. Took myself down to get the kill. Got you. That guy's juking me. That's crazy. Why did I open that up? There's no way the car's actually winning. So everyone has the same goal. The goal is just win.
Yeah.
Anyway, why am I so bad at this game? No way the cars are actually winning.
I'm stuck.
There's no way cars are. Hey, look, I'm MVP for the trucks.
Sorry guys, I just woke up. I'm very tired.
Last round. Let's try to win this one. I'm gonna try to lock in. Locked in! Yeah. If I didn't have the booster. Oh my god, I gotta stop doing these risky jumps. Yeah, that's pretty much it, so bye guys. Hopefully you guys watched to the end. I currently suck at this game. Oh yeah. Bye guys, hope you enjoy the video.